My experience of government is, while we were in a very difficult time, it was actually quite a powerful experience in that you can do stuff, you can affect change, you can actually deliver real change with your vision. So I would never rule out government in terms, I think it's one of the jobs of politicians. If you're interested in politics, if you're willing to go into politics, you should be willing to go into government. Yeah. I think, to be honest though, in the next government, it's highly likely, it's much more likely that for us it's going to be a job of providing effective opposition. And you can do that. You can actually steer things by asking the right question or by embarrassing a minister or civil servant in an Oireachtas committee. And I think for us, I think we need that period of time just to build up our capability. But one of the other things I learned in that time in the Dáil 9 years and in local councils before that is respect for pretty much most parties, all parties. You know, if people are elected by the Irish people, I'd respect our democratic process, people have returned them. And I think you work with them, whether it's in government or opposition. I think this slight kind of current kind of situation where people are just kind of would never talk to that crowd or would never talk to that chair.
I mean, a lot of party leaders have sat in that chair there and ruled out various coalition options. I mean, Micheál Martin has definitively ruled out Sinn Féin and Fine Gael. I mean, as you as Green Party leader, and you probably say, well, it's up to the membership, but I mean, would you be ruling out coalition with any party?
No.
Even Sinn Féin?
There's a lot of negative. No, we said back in 2007 we'd go with Sinn Féin, and we could have formed a government at that basis, but Enda Kenny said no. I believe in the Irish democratic political. I believe in a constitutional republic. Within that, people vote certain members. Teacht Dáil. I think my experience is you work with people. And you mightn't agree with them, a lot of them you disagree with them, but actually you show them the respect and you show the political system the respect of working with people.